Way to apply for internships and job opportunities. Many freshers will create their resume and then upload it in platforms like Naukri and then end it and say that we are not getting any calls and there are no jobs in IT industry, which is not true. So hello developers, welcome to day 10 of our 10 days internship job readiness program series. One thing is very clear. First, we need to build our skills. During this process, we need to create a proper GitHub profile and our LinkedIn profile and increase our professional network. And you have to build very good projects and contribute to some of open source projects. So it cannot happen overnight. It's just a process. That's why I recommend you start this journey in your first year and try to be ready for internships or job opportunities by your third year. For internships, you can consider Internshala. Internshala is a very good platform to get internships in very good startups. Most of the startups recruit interns either from Internshala or through LinkedIn. You can prefer paid internships along with job opportunities. Second, you can directly apply for companies which recently got either seed funding or Series A funding because they do a lot of hiring. Third, most of the MNCs will conduct summer internships, so you can directly apply for them. Fourth, hackathons. HackerRank, Geek4Geek, these kind of platforms regularly conduct hackathons for companies. And if you like the video, please hit a like and save it and share it with all your friends. It is going to be a great help for them. See you in the next series. Thank you.